Hello loves, welcome back to Soulful Key. If this is your first time here, that is okay. I consider you a VIP. But if you're an OG and you know me, thank you for supporting Key. So you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a brown makeup look. So if you're ready to get into the video, let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and took care of my brows off camera. For my brows, I just used the NYX eye pencil in the shade Black Brown. My pencil is kind of small, so don't judge me. All you have is all you need. And to line and kind of clean up my brows underneath, and to put some concealer on my eyelid, I just use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I use it in the shade Amande. So the next step that I'm going to do is just add concealer to areas of my face, and I'm going to blend that out. Alrighty, so now that I've blended out my concealer, I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and this one is in the shade New Caledonia Deep 2. And I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation in the areas outside of my concealer before I contour. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Match Stick to contour my face, and this is in the shade Espresso. Next, I'm going to go in with my Milani Gilded Nude eyeshadow palette. And I'm only going to use two colors to create this brown look. And it's going to be the two colors at the bottom. As you can see, they are used pretty often. But it's this color. We're going to start out with this color and Chill. And then the next color is going to be the one right beside it. And it's called Hit Snooze. So I'm just going to go in with my brush, and I'm going to pack it on my lid first. And that is the first color in Chill. And then after I've packed it onto the lid, I'm going to take another brush and blend out the edges to get sort of like a smooth edge. And now that I've blended that out, I'm going to go in with the second color, which is Hit Snooze, and I'm going to brush that along the top to blend that into the brown. Alrighty guys, I'm going to go ahead and pop on a little bit of liner. For my liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm just going to pop on my lashes whenever I can find them. I'm going to pop on my liner and my lashes really quick, and I'll come right back so we can finish out this look. So now that I have put on my liner and my lashes, we're going to go ahead and set the face. For setting powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier, and it is in the shade Medium Deep. Now that the face is set, I'm going to go in with my bronzer palette, and this is by Juvia's Place in the shade Deep Dark. And I'm going to use the top shade to bronze my face. So I'm also going to use the same bronzer palette to contour my nose a little bit more. I'm just going to take a brush and I'm dipping it in the top color. And I'm just going to use that to contour the sides of my nose. So for blush, I'm going to be using my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush, and this is in the shade Red Riot. I'm going to be using my Milani highlighter, and this is in the shade Rosa Italiana. And I'm just going to use this to highlight the tops of my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take my lip pencil by NYX, and this is in the shade Espresso, to line my lips. I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Lava Cake, to finish out my lips. And the very last step, I'm going to take my Sky High Maybelline mascara to put mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. There will be more makeup tutorial videos to come. And as always, I hope you continue to be well. I love you guys so much. Bye.